Why do you need debt relief? Bad luck can happen to anyone. If you're laid off because your company is closing or are in a car accident without insurance, there are solutions to bad luck. The best way is to save some money. A 6-month savings fund could help you if tragedy were to strike. Because of increasing living expenses and high debt balances, most working people have little to no savings. Instead of saving money, they'll spend their paycheck on current expenses, and when bad luck strikes, they have no savings to use. Without savings and a loss of income, it's impossible to stay current with rent or a mortgage payment. If you can no longer afford rent, moving in with your parents is a solution to save money. Moving in with mom and dad, or vice versa, can help you save money, but it can cause the parents to need a bankruptcy. A monthly budget can be doubled when an adult child moves back home, causing increases in utility and grocery bills. There's an additional strain for parents helping their children stay current with their debt. Some parents will co-sign on a child's loan to help them get on their feet. But if the car is repossessed, the parent is stuck with the debt. If someone asks you to co-sign for a debt, say no. Co-signing a debt for a child or family member means you're responsible if they default on the loan. They are asking you because they do not qualify on their own. You are signing a risky debt. As a parent, you want to support your child, but not to the point of financial hardship. Co-signing and supporting unemployed children is fine as long as it works within a budget. A new trend is parents with addictive children or spouses getting into debt. Often people will go into debt trying to pay for rehab or attorney's fees if a spouse, child, or family member is a drug addict or alcoholic. With joint debts, the addicted spouse could default to pay for their habit and leave the other spouse with the large balance. Sometimes it's not your bad luck causing you to be in debt. You should have an emergency fund, so if you lose your job or have a medical bill not covered by insurance, you are able to tap into your savings to pay for it. The best way to stay out of debt is to save. If you have a savings account, you are able to deal with the unexpected. If you're working and making good money, instead of going and spending your paycheck on the newest fad, put money in the bank. So if you find yourself overwhelmed, you can readjust your budget to wait for your luck to change. If you find yourself in debt again, there are warning signs for a person to seek debt relief. Some examples are: your debt is over $8,000, not including a house or a car. Your monthly payments are over 25% of take-home pay. You can't afford car insurance, you don't have savings, you have bill collectors calling. If you're struggling, it's time to do something about it. Your current plan is not working if every time the phone rings there's a collector or a creditor asking for payment. Getting into debt is the easy part. The difficult part is changing the way you think about money management to help you through the difficult times. Divorce, job loss, medical bills, and bad luck are a few of the causes of debt, and there could be others. It's up to you to use the tools in the course to learn how to save money to help when you fall on hard times.